What's going on YouTube? Modeling that back at you with another build update on the Kingfisher. So, got a lot of work done since the last part, so just a kind of a quick recap. Basically what you see is actually in place now, so it is glued in. Went ahead, let me try to get some brightness in there so you can see a little bit better, but went through and did just a quick wash with the panel line accent, dark brown. Used a larger brush like this here, just used that to kind of overcoat the entire thing. Then utilizing some dark anodonic gray from testers, dry brushing that on just to kind of give it a little bit of a metallic sheen and stuff like that around the edges. Again, this aircraft's going to be from mid 1942, mid 1942. So, it will have seen some service by that point, in training and stuff like that, and definitely would have chipped away at some of the paint, especially around the high use areas and stuff like that. Went ahead, got the seat belts in. I'll show you the other ones here in a moment, but cut those into place. Also got the switch panel in, and if I can get that to zoom in and get some brightness, see, really looks nice with all of the actual switches and controls and stuff like that. So definitely worth the money for the Eduard set to just kind of boost this kit up. Still going to do some detail painting. Still have the little items to put in here. 100%, not 100% sure what those are. I want to do a little bit more digging into it, into that back section. See if I can find out, because I think I want to do some digging as to like detail painting and buttons and stuff like that. But got the ammo cans put in. I will note, if you do use the PE ammo cans here in the storage rack, you're going to have to cut the center divider out. They just don't fit. They're solid fit as they are, even without the center rack. So just note, take that center, take the center piece out between them, and then they fit in like a dream, or they fit in tightly, I should say. They don't even fit in like a dream. They fit tight the whole way around. But yeah, got that side done. Similar to that, have the other side pretty well ready to go. Again, going to do a little bit more detail painting, stuff like that. Might come back in and do a little bit of green on this side, as I will have to glue that little piece back on. Fell off a couple of times. Also up here, do have the other controls in. Have a couple of throttle levers up here that needs to get put into place on that part, but there we go. Back just a little bit. Yeah, looking pretty good all the way around. The other thing that I do want to note is there is a PE part. Let me see if I can get that to lock in. That is, let me grab my tweezers. That is right here. It is the flat part. I actually had to trim that back. Not sure if it was my own doings or if it was the PE just not quite fitting, but that was something I did have to do to make it fit. Was trim it kind of from the back and the top to make it fit in. But yeah, got that done. Throw the autofocus back on. Alright, also went ahead and did the dark brown wash here. Gonna have to paint up the gun, ammo chute, or the empty case chute, get that ready to go. Gun is pretty much all finished up. So let me lock that in, there we go. So we got the gun pretty much ready to drop in. Minus the ammo cans that I'm gonna paint in the gray, in the blue color of the top color of the aircraft, which is Mr. Hobby 367 blue gray. So we'll be painting that next, just to kind of get these ready to go on. As you can see over here, I do still have some parts that I painted in the black, just to get those put into place. Those will be kind of going in as I need them, or as I kind of go through the actual build of the kit and stuff like that. So I think by the next part we should have the fuselage pretty well buttoned up, ready to go. And then at that point it's moving on to getting the engine fully assembled, put together, getting the wings put on, and really progressing with the build. So hopefully you guys have been enjoying this one. Yeah, again, hopefully you guys have enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.